Assalamualaikum. In this video, we will learn how to apply the quadratic formula and solve quadratic equations using this quadratic formula. So the first thing is your equation should be in the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and the quadratic formula is given below over here. Now, the most important thing is that you should be able to write the equation in ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 form. So for example, if the equation is 2x square minus 3x is equal to 7, this is not in that form. So first you will need to write it as 2x square minus 3x minus 7 is equal to 0. Now write ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 beneath this. Now identify a, b and c. So a is 2, b is minus 3 and c is minus 7. So this is very important that you identify a, b and c correctly and write the equation first in ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 form. So this is the form that your equation must be in. Okay, now we're going to look at one or two more examples of identifying a, b and c correctly. So let's say the equation is minus 3x square minus 8 is equal to 17x. So this is minus 3x square minus 17x minus 8 is equal to 0. So now ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So in this case, a is minus 3, b is minus 17, and c is minus 8. And once you know these values, you will substitute them in this formula. Now we're going to look at some examples as to how you make this substitution in this formula. So I hope this is clear. First, please write your equation in ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 form. All terms on one side and 0 on the other side. So the quadratic equation must be in this form. Then you can apply the quadratic formula. Once it is in this form, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then you identify a, b and c. Okay, now first we're going to do some examples. So take a look at this example. X square minus 11x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is already in the form that we want. So a is 1, b is minus 11, c is 6. This is the quadratic formula. We substitute these values in the quadratic formula, and a very common mistake. The formula is minus b. So minus b minus minus 11 becomes 11. And b square minus 4ac, the minus 11 square will always be plus. This will be plus 121. And minus 4ac. So a and c are both positive, so this will be minus 24. Now why the plus minus? Because square root of a number is square root 4 is plus minus 2. Square root 97 is plus minus 9849. So you will get two answers. One with 11 plus 9.849 over 2, and the other with 11 minus 9.849 over 2. So these are your two answers. Look at this next equation. Now in this next equation, the initial equation is not in ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 form. So you take the 10x to the other side first. So 2x square minus 10x plus 5 equal to 0. So a is 2, b is minus 10, c is 5. And now you substitute the values in this formula. Again, minus minus 10 becomes plus 10. B square is minus 10 square, which is 100. And minus 4 into 2 into 5 is 60. So again, you will get 10 plus minus square root 60. Two answers. Square root 60 is 7.746. So 10 plus 7.746 over 2a. 2a is 4. So you will divide by this entire answer by 4. Okay, I hope this is clear. In this example, we have taken 13x and 45 to the other side. Whole square minus 13x minus 45 equal to 0. We find a, b and c. A is 2, B is minus 13, C is minus 45. And this time another common mistake, minus 4 times minus 45 times 2 is plus 1, plus 360. So the sign becomes plus, and minus 13 becomes 13. So you get two answers again because of this plus minus. This is about the quadratic formula. Again, repeating, it's very, very important that you first write the equation in ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then identify a, b, and c, and then substitute the values of a, b, c in this formula. I hope you understood this is how to apply the quadratic formula from this video.